Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, Indian FTR Championship Edition Custom. Indian Motorcycle has taken the wraps off the highly anticipated 2025 FTR Championship Edition Custom, a sport motorcycle that pays homage to the brand's illustrious racing heritage. This limited edition model combines high-performance capabilities with unique custom styling, making it a standout in the sport motorcycle segment. The 2025 Indian FTR Championship Edition Custom is powered by a refined 1,203 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, producing 125 horsepower and 87 lb-ft of torque. This engine, known for its robust performance and smooth power delivery, is paired with a 6-speed gearbox featuring a slipper clutch, ensuring precise and effortless gear shifts. The FTR's agile handling and responsive performance make it equally suited for both track and street riding. The FTR Championship Edition Custom is a celebration of Indian Motorcycle's racing spirit and engineering prowess, said Mike Doherty, president of Indian Motorcycle. This model is designed to deliver an exhilarating riding experience while honoring our legacy in the racing world. The Championship Edition Custom features exclusive design elements that set it apart from the standard FTR models. The motorcycle boasts a distinctive paint scheme inspired by Indian Motorcycle's flat-track racing team, featuring bold graphics and championship-winning colors. Carbon fiber components, including the front fender, tank covers, and exhaust guards, not only reduce weight but also add to the bike's aggressive look. The custom seat, finished in premium leather with detailed stitching, enhances the bike's aesthetic and provides superior comfort. Ergonomics and rider comfort have been a focal point in the design of the FTR Championship Edition Custom. The bike offers a sporty yet comfortable riding position, with adjustable handlebars and foot pegs to accommodate different riding styles. The advanced suspension system, featuring fully adjustable Öhlins front forks and a rear monoshock, provides exceptional handling and stability, ensuring a smooth ride over various terrains. The 2025 FTR Championship Edition Custom is equipped with advanced technology to enhance the riding experience. A high-resolution TFT display provides clear and comprehensive information, including speed, gear position, and navigation prompts. The bike also features multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, and traction control, allowing riders to tailor the bike's performance to their specific needs and riding conditions. Industry experts and motorcycle enthusiasts have lauded the FTR Championship Edition Custom for its blend of performance, technology, and unique styling. The 2025 Indian FTR Championship Edition Custom is a true testament to Indian Motorcycle's racing heritage, commented motorcycle journalist Lisa Chen. Its powerful engine, advanced features, and distinctive design make it a top choice for riders seeking a unique and exhilarating riding experience. With its combination of cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and striking design, the 2025 Indian FTR Championship Edition Custom is set to make a significant impact in the sport motorcycle market. Enthusiasts eagerly await its arrival at dealerships, ready to experience the perfect fusion of racing heritage and modern innovation that the FTR Championship Edition Custom offers. This model reaffirms Indian Motorcycle's position as a leader in the industry, continuing its legacy of excellence and craftsmanship.